How much higher could Bitcoin go? Is Bitcoin going to have a pullback that I can actually buy some more Bitcoin at? What is going to happen next with Bitcoin? The high majority of people are going to be wrong about Bitcoin's next move because they're missing two critical clues. Both of these clues nobody is paying attention to. One of them is right here on the monthly RSI for Bitcoin. And the second is hidden in this FIB retracement that is right in front of your face. I'm going to uncover these two secrets that nobody is paying attention to. That's going to catch a lot of people off guard, but not you. You're going to leave this video with a sense of clarity as we have these two huge facts unveiled. Welcome in if you're new. My name is Steve. On this channel, we don't take any paid ads, no paid sponsorships, no paid affiliate links down below. Instead, we do cold, hard facts that actually help you. The only thing I ask in return is that you hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. Let's jump into it. We are on the monthly chart for Bitcoin US dollar index. We have price action above, we have the RSI down below, but not just any price action. This is a chart that we've been following for about 5 years, and it's held true for the entirety of the 5 years. So what we've done here is we've gone over and we have this FIB retracement. And what we've done is we've gone from the top of the market to the low of the market, and we have our FIB settings set to this. I have the 0, 0.38, and the 0.78. And then if you're on the log scale like me, you'll have FIBs based on log scale down here at the bottom. Once you've done that, you'll have a chart that looks exactly like this. One of our clues happens to be right here with this wick. The second clue happens to be right here with this wick. And what you can see is we haven't yet had a wick. That's one of the big clues that I'm going to unveil, is the significance of this wick and the significance of this wick and what it can mean. And the second thing is we've got to talk about our channel here. On the RSI, on the monthly, we have this channel right here between 67 and 73. Now, if you go from 67 to 73 on the monthly RSI, this channel represents some of the most important moves in Bitcoin's history, and here's why. As we approach the top FIB level here, the 0.78, we generally are met with resistance at this bottom line, which happened in June of 2016. And we did not get above this FIB level until we got literally above this entire channel back here in December of 16. February is a month for you to make money. I'm dropping a huge trade alert completely free. Takes 3 seconds to sign up. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, that's cryptocrewuniversity.com. Put in your name and email, and boom, you have this huge trade alert completely free. Here's the cool part. You will never guess what this alert is. It's going to surprise you. Don't miss out. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com right now. If you look more closely at it, you can see this candle was the first one literally to get above this FIB level. And it was also the first time we actually got above this zone. This zone is a danger zone, and that's where Bitcoin has to get above here in order to continue its bull run. Where are we now? We are met with resistance at this danger zone. We have not gotten above it. And the only time that Bitcoin has gotten above here, if we go to 2019, you can see we rallied up to the top of this FIB level. We got resistance right at this monthly level, the same exact resistance that were received in 2016. And Bitcoin did not get above this FIB level until we got above this danger zone, which happened right here in November of 2020. You can see November 2020, first candle to get above. November 2020, first time to get above the danger zone. Coincidence? I think not. It was the same exact scenario here. We didn't get above this FIB level until here. This candle was the first time that we got above the danger zone with the RSI. Why is that important? Well, we're met with resistance right here. We have not gotten above the danger zone. So should we expect Bitcoin to just skyrocket to the moon, get above 100K and get above this FIB level without having any movement inside of this danger zone? It's not possible. For Bitcoin to truly get above this FIB level, we need our monthly RSI to get above this danger zone. tilt your phone to the side and subscribe, which is right at about 74. 74 in the danger zone. We need that to get above. But there's another clue, and this clue you may like a lot more. This clue is more in turn with a little surprise move that Bitcoin usually has in store. Now, when we did our FIB levels, there's one certainty, that we had this little old wick come through here. It came through this level about 6.6 to be precise, which means we had our FIB level right here, the 0.78, and our wick got above here about 6.6% at the highest price that it had in that cycle period. Again, that highest price still had some resistance at this white line, but again, it was 6.6% higher. And we go to 2019. We had our wick here, and we're gonna measure. When you take a measured move, it's about 6.5 above this 0.78 of the FIB. Why is that important? Because some people are looking at this FIB level like, hey, we cannot even get one toe over here. Actually, we can get 6.6 above here, which is what we've done in Bitcoin's entire history. Each cycle that we have in front of us, just basing everything based on the facts. We got 6.6 above here and 6.6 above here. So if we come to this cycle and we say, oh, there's no way 6.6 above, it's actually quite likely, meaning we've done it 100% of the cycles that are in front of our eyes right now. We've done the exact same thing. So let's take a look. Where would that bring us in price? Because right now the 0.78 is at roughly 49 and change, just under 50,000, 49 and change. That's where it's at right now. But if we went 6.6% higher, we're no longer at 49 and change, and we're still in the same type of cycle. So we have to address that, because that would be a move where people are like, oh, you know what? We're going to 75,000. We're going to 90,000. We're going to 120,000. We're going to 250,000. And the emotion would overtake you and you would be completely taken off guard. But again, if you're looking at these two cold, hard facts that we're unveiling here, neither of which people are paying attention to, and you take those into consideration, we could have a higher price than we do now and get up to that 6.6 kind of level and still be rejected from here. What we need to happen is for Bitcoin to break above this FIB level and to get above this danger zone. If you're truly a bull, that's what you want. But again, as we discussed in our previous video, it's very, very healthy if Bitcoin retests our market structure during phase 2. As we said yesterday, there was some confusion. Well, most of the people understood what the facts were, but some people got confused because the majority of the time, literally 66% of the time, we retested in phase 2. 33% of the time, we retested 2 years later at our next bottom of the market. That's why repeatedly in video after video, that's what we said. Roll the clip. Potential to come down and retest this market structure either in the next 100-ish days or 2 years from now at our market bottom. We're going to come back down and retest this base now within the next 100 to 150 days, or we're going to do it 2 years from now at our next market cycle bottom. So let's just go based on the facts. The majority of the time we tested in phase 2. And when we did, look at how healthy and long of a bull run that was when we retested our structure of the resistance of phase 1. Look at here, phase 2, 2016, retested our structure. Look at how healthy of a run that was. Really, really healthy and long. Look at what happened in 2019. When we didn't retest our structure, we had a short run. It's very unhealthy not to retest market structure. Look at how short of a run this was. Look at how long of a run these were because we retested our structure. We had a very healthy bull run. If you don't retest structure, it's an unhealthy bull run. This is not my opinion. These are facts, and it's based on further evidence in the chart. So that's what I want you to realize. Now let's get to this 6.6. How much higher could Bitcoin go and still be in the same game that we were in 2015 and the same game that we were in 2019? Let's get to that. Let's unveil it, because this is the moment you've been waiting for. Now you can see this little wick here. Now you can see this little wick here. And you can see that that was a move that surprised a lot of folks because it went a little bit above that FIB level. But again, when you take into consideration all of the rules that we've established in this video and you follow them pound for pound, you're well aware of what is happening currently. Now, we have that 0.78 again, just below 50K. What we're gonna do is go from this 0.78 and measure up 6.6%, because that is what Bitcoin could get to. That would surprise a lot of people, shock a lot of people, and everyone would start getting on this bandwagon of 80K, 100K, 200K. If you stay level-headed and you just look at what is possible, we're going up to about 6.6, 6.5. We're up there at about 53,000. These are just the facts. Bitcoin could get to 53,000 and still be in that same scenario, because that's exactly what we did in 2015 and that's exactly what we did in 2019. The key is, what's the RSI and the monthly doing? We need to get above this danger zone to truly be out above this FIB level. Those are the facts that I want you to focus on. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right back here in the next video. This bull run is our road to 500,000 subscribers, but I need your help. Today, tell one person about our YouTube channel, how we spit facts, go against the herd, take no paid sponsorships of any kind. Road to 500,000, let's go.